Hey Red Apple Girls, Ashley here and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be creating a spring makeup look using the lipstick in the shade called Sweet Pea. This was always one of my favorites, so I'm really excited to use it again. To get started, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade called Buttercream, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be applying the eyeshadow in the shade called Golden Girl, and I'm going to be blending this mostly on the outer parts of the eyelids, and then I'm going to blend it into the crease as well. To finish off the eyes, I'm now going to go ahead and apply the Lash Project mascara. Then, to complete the look, go ahead and apply the Sweet Pea lipstick. And this is the completed makeup look. My favorite thing about this look is the fact that it uses warmer toned colors. You know, typically when you think of spring, you think of like pinks and blues and purples, and the fact that you can use warm colors and still have a very light, fresh makeup look is fabulous. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it, and take care. Bye!